Okay, once again, we have Twisted Trucker and Apex Technical Institute. I have two short clips of their full video. You can see the full video on my playlist. You must watch it. It's really good. These are the best of the best of when it comes to instructors and helping CDL students pass their test. On this short clip, the first of two is Twisted D, one of his students. So he backed the truck up to the cone. He's doing his setup now. Shortly, I want to show you something that's very important that's on this clip, is fixing a setup going backwards. CDL students need to learn how to make corrections going backwards and save yourself a pull-up. He's going to get his wheel straight. He's going to look down. He can see the cone, but he wants to move the trailer. He has a sleeper and a 53-foot trailer. It has to be perfect. So he's going to watch this. He's going to make a short correction. He's going to turn the wheel to the right. Trailer's going to go a little bit to the left, and he got himself closer to the cone. Bump that rear trailer over to the left, and now he's going to back it in. That is what CDL students must learn, especially if you have points. This is the second clip. I think it's 3 clips. I said 2 is 3. So now he's going to put it in the alley. That correction was a key, very key to getting this sleeper, big sleeper, and a 53-foot trailer into the alley. That is what we call good CDL instructors. Now we're going to see the back view from the back. He put it straight in line. He's off to like the 3rd hash mark. He's going to bring it in. You got a 60-foot opening, 60 feet of opening between the cones. And with a sleeper tractor and a 53-foot trailer, you need to be perfect. And this is really teaching how to maneuver trailers. And I'm not a big fan of 28-foot trailers. This is what CDL schools are teaching students really how to back up a trailer. This is Apex Trucking Institute. Jeff is the owner, and he's also a great instructor. And you can see his full video on my playlist. This is just a small clip. Fixing reverse offset errors or mistakes. Turn the wheel to the right, bring the trailer in to the alley. Follow up with the left and back it into the alley. There it is.